Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the snipping tool guys for screenshots. Actually really easy and simple. So first things first, you want to actually open up the snipping tool. Go click on your search bar right here on your computer. Click on the search bar right here, and what we're going to be doing guys, we're going to be searching for this snipping tool, okay? Right, from here, what you want to do is click on this option right here. If you don't see this here in the suggested, you can just search for snipping tool. It comes in built with your PC. It's a really good and powerful, it is really a good tool. Look, for example, let's say I want to take a screenshot of, look, I've opened my task manager, guys, okay? I'm going to take a screenshot of my task manager. You click on new, and you can take a screenshot of, let's say, from here to here. You just drag to the point where you want to take a screenshot and stop holding your mouse button, and boom guys, you've taken a screenshot, and I can add this to my Word document. Look right there, boom, easy screenshot. You can send it to someone directly, or other things you can do guys, you can change your mods, okay? You can do a window snip, so you would be snipping the whole window. I click on new and I do it. I just click anywhere in my screen, okay? If I click here, boom guys, it's taking a screenshot of the whole screen, and I can add that as well here in my document. Literally that easy and simple. And there's other things you can do, guys. You can, like, highlight different things. For example, this is taking a lot of CPU, guys. You can highlight this. OBS Studio is taking a lot of CPU performance. Okay, Chrome is sucking up my CPU as well. It's taking a lot of memory, so I can highlight those and I can put those as well. And if you want to save these images, all you need to do, guys, is just come here. You can also write things, guys, like say hi. You can just write things like that. And you can also erase things with the eraser tool. It's literally that easy and simple, guys. So if you want to save this, what you can do, or you can just edit this with Paint 3D directly. Click on here to edit it further, or what you can do, guys, is just click here on Save Snip, and then you're gonna find your file explorer. Let me save it for you actually. So I'm gonna save this as test screen shot. So it's saved. Just click on save. It will save as a PNG file. Literally that easy and simple, guys. So if this video helps you guys, make sure you hit that like button and comment down below if you're still having trouble. I'll try to help you out. Until next time, guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel.